keep it on just one cell at a time. Watch when it shrinks down to it. Like, it doesn't disappear, it just becomes smaller.
Oh, he's a good one. Big whoa! That is a good squid. A little bit of colour contrast, one dark, one light. It'll be interesting to see which one gets hit more. If I was a betting man, I always like to bet on the lighter one, but this one I've had heaps of success on, so I don't know. Right. I need to get this other line in as well. Sort of shoot myself in the foot putting two out.
Yeah, he's probably just roll the one.
It's a good one.
Oh, he's a good one.
Big whoa! I just thought I was snagged because I went over such a shallow bit of reef and they just started pulling like crazy. Oh no!
Nice snag retrieval. Haven't seen anything like it.
I got it. I got it. Yeah, we know how to fish. Oh, this is so awesome. If you just run your fingers along there, all that skin will just come right off. See the ink sac?
And we'll also marinate the squid in this as well. I'll just give that a little emulsify.
Emulsify?
I still don't actually know what it means. So just olive oil, lemon juice and pepper.
That looks good.
Pretty garnish.
Squid. Oh wow. 4, 1, 2, 3. I thought I caught 5. No, we didn't. Shoes are off. Just gonna put them on the barbecue in that marinade.
Yeah, and then what could actually be used as a stuffing, I'm just gonna put it on the plate. Gonna straight out put the capsicum on the flame, and that'll just give it a really nice char grill scent. Expensive saffron. Saffron and fish stock, yeah. And we're just gonna let them infuse. And like I said, just a pinch because it is expensive, but it is also strong. I think that'll be alright. That'll be alright for what we want. Basically just want that smoky texture. And if you can't get all the skin off, then don't worry about that too, because bits of these charcoal, it's actually really yum. Just get rid of all the seeds. Like I said, if there's still a few on there, that doesn't matter. Just about 2 egg yolks.
Yeah, dippy.
Alright, see it's cranking. Start frying a bit. Not long with squid at all. When deep frying, maybe 30 to 45 seconds. On a char grill, you can probably give it a minute and a half, 2 minutes on each side, I reckon.
Is it hot enough?
Yes, please. Looks like chicken. That looks cool, eh?
That sauce, eh? That sauce is so good.
Good sauce.
Makes it, eh?
Yeah, just like full blends it together. Oh, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Last bit for Gray.